Welcome back to Skyway Classics. Here to do another YouTube video for you is Shane and Nyla. We're here to show you a 1984 Chevy Corvette. A very nice 84 Chevy Corvette. It's only got 8,000 original authenticated miles on this car. So it has not been driven. 8,000 real miles. It's the 84 with the crossfire fuel injected motor. Featuring an automatic transmission. The beautiful two-tone paint.
So pretty.
And a two-tone interior.
All the bronze.
It's got the glass targa top.
Yes.
Which is crisp and clear without a nick on it, unbelievably enough.
And can that be removed?
Yes.
Yes, so that can be taken off. So that's awesome.
This car's got 8,000 miles on it, folks. Soak that in.
Beautiful. Hardly even worn in. Awesome. So we're gonna pop the hood and start the engine and take a look at that engine bay, and then we'll take it for a spin. For a cruise.
Get a zoom in on that mileage. 8,620 authentic documented miles.
That's amazing.
On a 1984. Bet you the tape deck works like brand new.
Probably. The AC is on. Super cool top there.
Yeah, the target top still got its original sticker on it.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Time capsule. Your next oil change is due at 13,000 miles.
Wow. Definitely one of those vets that you're like sunken into, huh? It's a little difficult to get in and out of, but nothing rides like it. How's she feel, Shane?
I'm kind of amazed. Feels like a brand new car.
That's awesome.
Steering feels nice and tight. There's no play in the steering wheel. It seems to be shifting through the gears great.
Okay. We're gonna...
Let's get on it a little bit here.
Yeah.
All your gauges, the digital gauges are working properly on here.
Perfect. Alright.
Yeah, she's a really nice driving car. It's a new 1984